Why hello, lovely humans! Jen Foxbot here, wishing you a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas from Marley and me. I made a little holiday project using the Circuit Playground Express and an ornament. So let's see if we can get Marley to boop it. Marley, what's this? Come on, what's this? It didn't trigger. What's this? One more time. Boop. Ready? Boop. Oh, we have another dog. Oh no. Hey. Marley, what's this? What's this? Come on. Come on. All right, other dog. There we go. Fine. And then I'm going to hold. Okay. Hopefully you can hear that. The speaker is super quiet, but I'm holding it next to the microphone, so hopefully you can hear it a little better. All right, happy holidays. Yay!